Good morning, students. I am Rajendra sir. Our next online class of class 9 Information Technology. This is our next lecture number 16 in Unit 1, Session 3. Dear students, in Unit 1's CPU and its components. Today's our topic CPU and its components. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It has three components. You already know in our previous video. CPU, it has three components. CPU, it is the important part of our computer. There are mainly three components in a CPU. First, memory unit. Second, arithmetic and logical unit, ALU. Control unit, CU. CPU, it stands for Central Processing Unit. MU, it stands for Memory Unit. ALU, it stands for Arithmetic and Logical Units. CU, it stands for Control Unit. That means full form of MU, ALU, CU and CPU. Full form of MU, Memory Unit. Full form of ALU, Arithmetic and Logical Units. Full form of CU, Control Unit. It has component of CPU. Now, details about memory unit, MU. The memory unit is the principal storage of the computer. It stores both data and instructions. The data and instructions can also be stored permanently in this unit so that they are available whatever required. The memory unit is linked with other parts of the computer and send them the data when needed. Memory units means data stored, यानी हमारा कंप्यूटर डाटा को कहाँ स्टोर करेगा? तो मेमोरी यूनिट में स्टोर करेगा। और जब जब यूजर को जरूरत होगा उस डाटा का, तो कंप्यूटर्स का काम क्या है? उस डाटा को यूजर्स तक पहुंचाना। इसीलिए मेमोरी यूनिट स्टोर आवर डाटा परमानेंटली। मेमोरी and another storage device data stored in temporarily. Memory units, there are two types of memory units, internal and external. तो मैं आपको पूरी तरह से इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल के बारे में बताऊंगा, तब आप समझ पाएंगे कि कौन सा यूनिट हमारे इंफॉर्मेशन को, हमारे डाटा को परमानेंटली स्टोर करता है और कौन सा यूनिट्स हमारे डाटा को टेम्पोरली स्टोर करता है। ओके, नाउ कंप्यूटर मेमोरी इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज। फर्स्ट, इंटरनल मेमोरी, सेकेंड, एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी। Internal memory. Every computer has a certain amount of memory, usually referred to as the main memory. This is also called internal memory or primary memory. Dear students, internal memory means primary memory. Computers के पास में दो तरह का मेमोरी होता है। There are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. But primary memory is the main memory of a computer. A secondary memory as a storage device, जो हमारे कंप्यूटर्स के डाटा को परमानेंटली स्टोर करता है फॉर फ्यूचर, उसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज। Primary memory is a place where data and programs are stored temporarily. as long as they are being executed. It is a very fast and expensive but has limited storage capacity. Internal memory of two types. Internal memory of two types, RAM and ROM. इंटरनल मेमोरी को दो पार्ट में बांटा गया है, रैम एंड रोम. ओके, रैम it stands for random access memory. It is a type of computer internal memory that can be accessed randomly. Whatever information be entered into the computer goes into RAM. It is a volatile memory as data and instructions are stored temporarily. During its processing only lost forever when the computer is switched off. RAM is the part of internal memory. RAM हमारे डाटा को टेम्पोरली स्टोर करता है. यदि हमारा कंप्यूटर शट डाउन हो जाए, बंद हो जाए, तो रैम का डाटा लॉस हो जाता है. एग्जाम्पल, ए ब्लैक बोर्ड इज लाइक ए रैम that is constantly overwritten with the new data. The commonly used calculator is another example of RAM. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिखते हैं तो हमारा डाटा डिस्प्ले हुआ, इसके बाद फिर उसको हम लोग इरेज करते हैं. इसी तरह से हम लोग कैलकुलेटर का यूज करते हैं. कैलकुलेटर में आप कैलकुलेट करते हैं, नेक्स्ट कैलकुलेशन करते हैं तो प्रीवियस कैलकुलेशन ऑटोमेटिकली इरेज हो जाता है. क्या है? Next, types of RAM. DRAM, dynamic random access memory. SRAM, static random access memory. SDRAM, synchronous dynamic random access memory. DDR, double data rate memory. This is our full form of the different types of RAM. Dear students, RAM is a temporary location in our computer system. RAM is also essential part of our computer system, which is the example of primary memory. Okay, primary memory classified into two categories, RAM and ROM. But RAM, it is the main part of our computer system. It is also known as read write memory. मैं इसमें डाटा को पढ़ भी सकता हूं और डाटा को चेंज भी कर सकता हूं. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ DDR RAM? What is the function of DDR RAM? It stores data temporarily as the data is lost when the power supply is suspended. It need to be refreshed periodically in order to retain data. Another SRAM, आपको पहले ही बता दिया हूं फुल फॉर्म, स्टैटिक रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. इट इज फास्टर एंड more expensive than DRAM. It does not need to be refreshed like DRAM to retain information. It lost data when power is turned off. Another SDRAM. What is the function of SDRAM? It uses synchronous interface to transmit large amount of data at high speed. This improves the efficiency of a computer as data is delivered in a shorter duration. Okay, now DDR RAM, it is a major used in internal Pentium 4 system. It required less power and has a speed which is double than that of a SD RAM. Okay dears, thank you. Have a nice day.